but I did take a pretty large gamble on a buyout. I originally wasn't planning on making a video on this. I went through, I took a look at like a lot of different data in just the Pokemon market in general. You know, there's still a lot of really good sets that haven't blown up yet. Journey Together, Shrouded Fable, oh my god, I have it over there. It's Temporal, Paradox Rift. I think that's still a great one too, but I was noticing that prices were starting to go up on one set in particular. So a lot of particular trainer cards that have kind of just not been loved and appreciated in the same way that Prismatic was when Prismatic came out. I have started collecting Hops, and Lillie's Clefairy. Followed by more Hops and Lillie's Clefairy and Hops and Lillie's, and also Salamence. Actually, I traded for that one at trade night. But I think Journey Together cards right now, of all the modern sets, so like think, you know, Prismatic, think Destined Rivals, think Mega Evolution, like they have the lowest number of PSA 10 population cards. It's a really good play. The goal is, and I wasn't able to actually check out these cards before I bought them, I just bought them on TCG Player. I did my own little mini buyout. It was not much, it's not crazy, but I did take a pretty large gamble on a buyout.